Why is healthy eating important? Imagine yourself, standing on a stage, with the bright spotlight only on you, and an anticipating crowd at your feet. As the bustling chatter fades into a gentle murmur, the tension in the room builds. You're about to put on a performance. But this is not just any performance. You glance down not at a shining guitar or a microphone, but at a humble fork twinkling under the piercing stage lights. In the other hand, a plate. Not an ordinary one, but one filled to the brim with a vivid array of fresh food. The lively colors of the fruits and vegetables perform an energetic dance under the spotlight, composing a wild orchestra of health and wellness. This isn't mere food. It's a symphony of flavors and textures, a tribute to the abundant diversity of nature's produce. You yourself observe the reds of plump tomatoes, the green of crunchy lettuce, the sunny shade of a ripe bell pepper. It's a visual banquet, and it's all yours, yes you, to present to the eagerly waiting audience. As a hush descends upon the room, you come to a realization. You're not clutching a guitar or a microphone, you're not adorned in glitzy outfits, and you're not about to sing a chart-topping hit. But let it be known, this is no less of performance for you. The stage is your kitchen, the crowd your dinner guests, and you are the protagonist. Not a rock star, not a pop star, but a star of a unique genre. This is your stage, your spectacle, gourmet or home-style, vegan or meat lover, it is irrelevant. In this moment, you are the artist and the food is your canvas. Each fresh ingredient narrates a tale, each flavor belts out a tune. The fork is your instrument, the plate your stage, the food your act. That's correct, you're not a rock star, you're a health star. And this is your performance of a lifetime. Years ago, I was a different person. In those days, I was like a ship without a compass, aimlessly floating in an ocean of unhealthy choices. My life was characterized by a profound sense of lethargy, a perpetually foggy mind, and an unending cycle of feeling under the weather. I was not just a mere bystander to my life, but rather I was a puppet, being pulled and swayed by my uncontrolled cravings. Every moment of respite was spent reaching out for the nearest bag of sugary snacks or ordering greasy fast food without a second thought, without any regard for the impact they had on my health. I was trapped in a whirlwind of unhealthy choices, stuck in a self-destructive loop that was slowly but surely taking a toll on my body and mind. But then, a transformation happened, a radical shift that opened my eyes to the world of healthy eating. I decided to take charge, to rewrite my story. I traded beloved chips for fresh, crunchy carrots, my addictive soda for sparkling water that was as refreshing as a summer's breeze, and my late-night pizza indulgence for a hearty salad, brimming with a rainbow of vegetables. I started to experiment with various healthy recipes, exploring the diverse universe of wholesome ingredients to nourish my body and not just feed it. And you know what? It changed my life. It changed the way I viewed food, the way I viewed health, and most importantly, it changed the way I viewed myself. Nutrition experts aren't just blowing smoke when they say you are what you eat. Leading nutritionist Dr. Alice Park goes into detail, explaining that our bodies function like complex machinery. The food we consume acts as the fuel powering this machine. Just as a high-performance car needs premium gasoline to run smoothly, our bodies require high-quality nutrition to function at their best. She further elaborates on the effect of quality nutrition by stating, put in high-quality fuel, and you get high-quality performance. This is a simple yet profound concept that underscores the importance of a healthy diet. Another voice in this space is Dr. James Levine, who reiterates this idea by adding his perspective. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can enhance everything from brain function to energy levels. He emphasizes that a balanced diet can boost mental sharpness and physical stamina, and who doesn't want to feel like they're firing on all cylinders? But what happens when we consistently choose the donuts over the fruit salad, the burger over the grilled chicken? The repercussions of these choices aren't immediately visible, but gradually they begin to take a toll. Over time, these seemingly innocent, indulgent decisions can trigger a cascade of negative health effects. These are not just cosmetic. They extend beyond mere weight gain. Long-term consumption of unhealthy foods puts severe stress on our bodies. We are talking about a host of health problems that include obesity, an ailment that's rapidly becoming a global epidemic. Beyond that, we are risking the of one of our most vital organs, the heart. Diseases of the heart are strongly linked to diets rich in unhealthy fats and processed foods. Moreover, the risk of developing type 2 diabetes skyrockets with poor dietary habits. This life-altering disease is a direct result of consistently high sugar levels in our bloodstream. And then we have the most dreaded health issues, certain types of cancer. Yes, habitual consumption of unhealthy food increases the chances of developing these deadly diseases. But it doesn't end there. We must consider the impact on our mental health. The brain, like the rest of our body, requires specific nutrients to function correctly. Lack of these nutrients can lead to mood swings, anxiety, and depression. Suddenly, the joy of biting into that delicious donut seems to lose its sheen. It's a high price to pay for a moment of indulgence. Remember, every meal is an opportunity, a chance to nourish your body and mind. It's a moment to reconnect with yourself, to take a step back from your chaotic life, and really focus on your well-being. Each morsel of food you consume is a decision that has the potential to either heal or harm you. Each bite you take is not just a fleeting pleasure, but a note in the symphony of your health. So eat carefully, as if your life literally depends on it, because in a way it does. Food is more than just fuel. It's the building block of your body. Your muscles, bones, even your thoughts are all shaped by what you eat. Thus, you should select foods that are rich in essential nutrients. Foods that are not just high in calories, but also in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Foods that nourish, not just fill you up. Your plate should look like a rainbow filled with a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables. Why? Because each color represents different nutrients. Red tomatoes have lycopene, green spinach has iron, orange carrots have beta-carotene, and so on. By eating a wide range of colors, you ensure your body gets all the nutrients it needs. Variety is not just the spice of life, it's the cornerstone of a balanced diet. So, making your food choices, remember to choose wisely, not just for taste, but also for your health. You owe it to yourself to make your health a priority. Remember, every meal is an opportunity, a chance to nourish body and mind. So, choose wisely. Choose foods that are rich in nutrients, not just in calories. Opt for a colorful plate, for variety is not just the spice of life, it's the cornerstone of a balanced diet. Healthy eating is not about strict dietary limitations or depriving yourself of the foods you love. It's a lifestyle choice, a daily commitment, a habit that we foster. And it is about nourishing our bodies, not punishing them. This isn't about embracing fads, it's about understanding the benefits of a balanced diet. It's not about eliminating foods you enjoy, rather it's about finding healthier versions of them. It's about understanding that all food groups are important and that a colorful plate is a healthy plate. Healthy eating fuels not just the body but the mind too. It boosts productivity, keeps you active, and promotes mental well-being. It's about embracing changes, however small they may be. Gradually, you'll begin to find these choices are not just healthier but more satisfying too. Eating healthy isn't about a temporary change, it's a lifelong commitment. It's about changing the way you perceive food and nutrition. It's about understanding the value of nutrients and recognizing the impact they have on your body. And it's not just about the food, it's also about regular exercise, getting enough sleep, and drinking plenty of water. Together, these habits can help you lead a healthier, more fulfilling life. It's not a race, it's a journey towards a healthier, happier you. Sustainable changes come from making choices every day, choices that become habits, habits that become a part of your lifestyle. It's about becoming the best version of yourself. Transform your plate, transform your life. This is the mantra that guides us, the idea that nourishes our minds and bodies. We've grown up with the notion of health being a complex, daunting task, but it has always been about simplicity, purity, uncomplicated by the burdens of artificiality. Our food, our diet should be a reflection of the same. When you look at your plate, what do you see? What do you feel? Do you see a rainbow of vibrant, fresh produce, a testament to the bounty of nature? Or do you see a bleak, gray mass of processed food, devoid of life and nutrients? Take a moment and think about it. Your plate is your canvas, and you are the artist. With every ingredient that you add, you are creating a masterpiece. Each vegetable, each fruit, each grain is a burst of color, a brushstroke of vitality. When you view your meals in this light, the act of cooking and eating transforms from a mundane chore into a creative, joyful experience. We are not just talking about a physical transformation, but an emotional and mental one too. The food you eat has an impact on your mood, your energy levels, your focus. A healthy diet is the first step towards a healthy mind. Harness the power of food, of nature, to become the best version of yourself. Learn to listen to your body, to give it what it needs. Eat to live, don't live to eat. Let your plate be a celebration of life, of health, of joy. And remember, because when it comes to your health, you're the one in the spotlight. And it's time for your performance of a lifetime. And so we come to the end of our little chat. Remember, the next time you're standing in front of your plate, you're not just eating, you're performing, and the world is your stage. Now go out there and make every bite count. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips.